You're on a customer call. They ask a technical question. You know your team document this answer, but you cannot find it. It's in someone else's silo. Claude Skills can solve this. Skills are plugins for Claude, running in secure containers. I use them as a single source of truth. Team playbooks, lazy loaded only when needed. Skills live in Git. Your team's knowledge becomes version-controlled code. Skills the markdown is the entry point. Load the right playbook when it becomes relevant. Your platform team has docs. DevRel has patterns. Sales has pricing nuances. But knowledge stays in silos. Skills make knowledge loadable on demand with verifiable sources. Then why not just mere naive rag? Naive rag is for retrieval. Skills are for execution. For enablement, consistent execution matters, and skills are evolvable. Every call improves the next call. Here's the interview copilot for live demo. Hi, I'm Sigrid, DevRel at Anthropic. About to call FinBot, Series B FinTech, 50K users. Prep agent already attached baseline skills, context editing guide, and memory playbook. These are implementation guides, not the features, but how to use them. Customer says,
our conversations get really long, and users come back the next day expecting Claude to remember what they said. Is there a way to handle that?
What's the router? It catches it instantly. Detected, customer is asking about cross-session persistence. See the skills for the next call? Loading team knowledge in action. The answer, 3 specific features. And scroll down, you can see what kinds of skill files, in other words, what kinds of team knowledge are referenced. So every claims trace to review docs. So I can say, Claude's memory feature automatically proceeds users' conversation and context across sessions. So when users return the next day, Claude can recall previous conversation without manual work. If there's no skills attached, I cannot respond to the clients directly. I need to select to other field engineers, but it takes a time to get a response from them, right?
Thanks for your clear instructions.
Call ends, post-call summary. Transcript archived, topics extracted, and pain points are identified. And here's the key. Suggested skill updates. Agent detected a new pattern, a multi-session financial advisory pattern. And he wrote the content. And I click approve. This becomes team's knowledge. Next FinTech call, it's already available for the next interviewers. That's the flywheel. This is the knowledge base. Skills in Git, commit, remote URL, and all versioned. And 2 sections, company knowledge, original playbooks, interview learnings, patterns from calls. 1 reviewed, version surface, single point of truth. So, how to build this? 3 steps. Step 1, package skills. Scale the markdown with the YAML front matter. Keep it actionable, triggers, patterns, and real numbers. Step 2, build your router. Tool use provided by Claude Developer Platform with first tool choice for reliable JSON. Router decides, and your code attaches the skills. Step 3, attach via API. We need 2 beta headers, code executions, and skills. And upload skill folder, and get skill ID, and pass it into a container skills. Done. Let me show you the actual API calls. This is a skill. YAML front matter, name, description, and there's markdown body, when to use it, and response guidelines. And here's the router. It decides which skills to attach. The key is tool choice. And you define a schema, domains and confidence scores, then force Claude to use it. You can see the output, right? Now the answer. This is where skill get attached. Has those skill IDs, Claude loads them in a secure sandbox. Look at that response. The knowledge came from your skill.md, which is auditable and versioned. The last piece, post-mortem agent. This is the flywheel. After every call, the agent analyzes what happened. New pattern detected. It proposes an update. You can see how the post-mortem agent get a response from Claude. So you review it, approve it. So that's how skill evolves. And you can build your own skill with just simple lines of code. This is a full picture. 4 agents, 3 phases. For the first phase, pre-call, prep attaches the baselines. When it comes to live call phase, router decides and answer responses. And when it comes to the final phase, the post-call, post-mortem agent proposes updates to the existing skills or create new skills. Your app orchestrates and platform executes the skills. That's the Claude skills. Codes on GitHub, demos on Vercel. If you have any questions, emails on screen. Go build something. Thanks for watching.